What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel. Okay, I know I've been quiet for some time, and this is because the previous analysis that I had done had not yet reached uh, take profit levels. But now that they've reached take profit levels, we're going to take a look at how they performed and how much money you could have made if you followed this analysis. But if you're new to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you're notified each and every time I post a video. I'll try by all means to be posting videos daily to help you improve your trading journey, to make this channel your trading guide, so that each and every time you think of trading, you just tune into this channel. Okay, and I'll be picking up a winner in the comment section for those that would have commented the best in the comment section below. And if you want to join our trading community, there's a Telegram channel which is growing so fast. I want to thank you guys that are joining, and I hope it's really helping you in your trading journey. Right, the link is in the description box, and you can also follow me on Instagram for live updates on what's happening at the ATG. With that said, let's take a look at Boom 500 on the daily time frame. And as you can see, this was the previous analysis that I had made. We predicted that we're going to be taking a sell up to this support level, and price did move exactly as we predicted. So if you haven't watched this video, I'll leave the link in the description box so that you can actually check out this analysis and learn how we managed to do it, right? So I predicted this sell from this point. We had quite some resistance before, and then actually price then followed our market analysis, and it went exactly in the direction that we had predicted. Actually, the take profit level was this support zone, but ended up extending even lower than that. So if you're following Boom 500, you should be deep in profits right now. I'm also going to take a look at Crash 500 before I make the new analysis for this week. For Crash 500, we predicted another sell, and it played out exactly the same way that we had predicted, right up to the point I actually mentioned that price will reach. So this was another win. You can see there's a series of bearish candlesticks, which means you would always be in profit each and every single day for the past 7 days or 11 days. I mean, for the past 11 days, would always be in profit, right? This is Crash 500 from the daily time frame. If you didn't watch this again, you can go watch the previous video where I actually made this analysis. Okay, let's move on to Crash 1000. So Crash 1000, we've been selling it for the past 1 month, I think. We started off at this point. We made this first sell. Again, then we made a re-entry the following week at this point, and we actually reached our support zone as I had predicted. So if you really want to learn this, guys, how I do it, how I manage to make these long-term trades that are really profitable, because right now we have 3 out of 3 profitable trades. If you really want to learn this, come join a mentorship class, and I will really teach you one-on-one on how to do this exactly. So as you can see, we've been selling Crash from this point. This is around May, the beginning of May up to June, right? Taking sales and actually winning those sales. So currently we have reached our predicted take profit level, which was this support zone again. Okay, so the last one was Boom 1000. So this one, for those that have been following these videos, can remember that we are struggling with this trade. I predicted this sell I think way too early. I think I was 5 days early, and there was a bit of consolidation at this level. Let me highlight it. There was a little bit of consolidation at this level. We also had consolidation at this level, but the sell I knew was very much imminent. We had some stop hands here, and then we faced rejection candlesticks at this point. We had rejection candlesticks, and once we reached this point, I knew that the sell was now ready and you place this sell and actually forget about it because it was now imminent. Can you see how much it fell right up to our support level again that I had highlighted on? All this is on the previous video, so you can actually see the before and the after of these trades. Okay, you can actually see the before and the after of these trades. So just go check it out and see what we were looking at for you to actually get why I was saying you should enter the sell. So right about here, there was a little bit of resistance and there was a lot of consolidation levels being set. A lot of people were trapped at this point. I sell trades here, and there was high liquidity in the market because the market wasn't really moving, but it was just accumulating orders. And then it had a stop hunt, and from the stop hunt, I saw the rejection candlesticks. There was a bullish rejection. If you can look at this, the tweezers here, which was a um, bullish rejection. If you still know your candlestick formation, and I knew from this point that I should just add more positions to my sell trade, and played out exactly as expected for the past 12 days, I think, or 13. Played exactly as expected, right? So this is crash, this boom 1000. Let's take a look at another analysis that I made for volatility indices. Now I'm just going to combine these things, although they are on different videos, so you actually have to check the different videos. The other one is for booming crash only, and then the other one is for volatility indices. But I'm just going to summarize them within this video so that it's easier for you guys to understand. So we've been buying V51s for quite some time now. After we realized that it was now setting higher highs, and so these basically are demarcations of the higher highs. And from this point, I think this was the first week we traded V51s, and I said we should buy this up to this resistance level, and from this resistance level again, I think it was second week, and we said we should buy again, and it bought up to a ceiling that I actually missed. I was aiming for this ceiling. But I did not see that we had another ceiling that was very much of importance because price was making important decisions on this resistance level. So we did actually hit the resistance level, but if you're trailing, because we had a bullish run and then we had a reversal, and then price came again to retest this level and then dropped to our support level, right? So I'm going to explain what is going to happen in the following weeks. V75, we talked about the sell. Our price was reached. I'm sure everybody made money out of this trade. For those that were following, step index, we talked about this buy trade up to this ceiling, and price did play out exactly as predicted. We reached our ceiling, and then price dropped, came back again to retest the ceiling. I'm going to talk about what is going to happen to this step in the following videos, right? And then lastly, we talked about V100. Initially we had missed this buy, but at this point I mentioned that we're going to be going up, and as you can see, we did move in the bullish momentum and came back down to retest this initial resistance, but it ended up being a support zone because after this consolidation on it, we now know that it's a confirmed support, so price is most likely going to push back up again because it has already made the decision and maybe then come back down. So guys, as you can see, we had 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 analysis, and they all played out exactly as planned. That's 8 out of 8. So if you want to learn price action and how to do this, hit me up from my Telegram channel or from my WhatsApp and can actually teach you how to do this. So in the following videos, I'm going to be doing the usual. Tomorrow is Thursday. I'm going to introduce to you guys a new indicator that is very powerful that you can actually plug in on your laptop and choose it. And then Friday we think of something that we can do, and then Saturday we do market analysis for forex pairs, and then Sunday we do market analysis for boom and crash, and then Monday we do market analysis for volatility indices, and then Tuesday we do market analysis for uh, no Tuesday, I'm actually going to teach you a new strategy that I think it's very much powerful. So that is all for today. If you want to get free access to my VIP group, just kindly click the subscribe button, like this video, and comment down below for I'll be picking a winner each and every week. Okay, guys, until next time.